pagtagal mo sa buhay, then you experience the finer things in life. Yan, iba na yan. Para business din. Pag tumatagal ka, gumagaling ka.
If you have a problem in your business, solve it. And the more you solve it, you now become better than the others.
Sabi ko nga, it's not in not failing, but in rising every time you fall. Hindi, huwag kang matakot mabagsak. What is important is that you rise every time you fall. Ako nang bangon.
I'm not gonna teach here. I want to activate you. I want to empower you to add value to others. This is a community where you enter it and then don't expect to just keep on getting and getting. Expect yourself to grow in the community and impart that value to others.
So how to start and grow a business? It's simple but not easy. It's easier and faster with a guide.
Huwag ka mapuprostrate pagka hindi mo nakuha. Basta try na try. Kasi talagang minsan may konting swerte din yan. Pero yung swerte, pagka hindi ka nag-succeed sa una, try ka lang.
If you empower them to be better and better, then you will see your organization grow. You will see more value being added to your customers, to your suppliers. Then you become a blessing to a lot of people.
Nung nakita ko yung values ng Kapayaman, napakaganda, no? Hindi lang dahil sa para kumita tayo ng pera, basta makatulong din tayo sa kapwa. So eventually ito, nakita ko itong meet up ngayon at immediately nag-sign up ako. And hindi ako nabigo, no? Kasi ang dami kong natutunan dito sa meet up na ito.
Sobrang nakaka-relate ako dun sa mga topic na binibigay nila. And at the same time, i-recommend ko kayo pumunta kayo dito kasi sobrang sulit. Sobrang sulit yung experience. Konti lang yung time ngayon pero ang dami mo nang natutunan.
If I would recommend this, I would highly recommend this to my friends, to my families. Why? Because this is very productive. I mean, very fruitful. You learn and then you practice.
Success is not easy, but it is simple.
But remember the Lord your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to create wealth. Why? Because He has a purpose for each one of us.